Okay, I'm going to demonstrate this trade order here. It triggered before I could get my order in there, but I dropped a limit order and it pulled back and it filled me. We'll try to get our scalp here. Notice what we have. We've got a trend working up. We got a first entry, now a second entry. We had a nice signal bar right off a key entry point. So we'll try to get our scalp and then um, we'll look at our actually we'll move this up to one tick below. We'll try to get our scalp first, then we'll look at our runner. We'll see how it looks after we get our scalp. We got to get our scalp first. So again, this is a second entry long. Good signal bar, key entry point. We're bumping off our order now, see if we can tick through it and get filled. Generally, you got to tick through these. And there we go. We got filled. We moved to break even. And we got so we got 750 in the bank, and we've got a runner here with 5 more contracts. So we'll see what happens here. This market's pretty efficient. They'll usually come back and get your runners pretty quick. Um, but not always, and it only takes a few runners to really change your math. We could exit here with these other 5 contracts with an extra tick or two, or maybe exit here at the resistance. This thing's not taking on off extremely fast, but the market's been like this the last hour, so it hasn't moved very fast. So I think what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and take our profit here and take our extra 3 points on a runner if we get a chance here. And we're out. And you can see we got 3 points on, so we got 15 points on the runner and 15 points on our scalp. So a total of 30 points there minus commissions. But yeah, I had a little interruption there right as that trade was closing out. But you can see it hadn't traveled much further. But this is our bread and butter trade, our uh, second entry right off a key entry point. You can clearly see there was another one right here that never triggered until you got it actually triggered here. But you would have had a higher low here. You could have taken that's an inside bar. Maybe you don't take that as an inside bar. Um, but I probably wouldn't have been afraid to take that one. Could have traded as a reversal right here and gotten another one. But you're better off to wait and you get a clear second entry with a nice signal bar right off the key entry point. And that's what we just traded. Quick, easy, 30 points. So $1,500 in about 4 minutes there, I think, is what it took for that trade. So anyway, I hope that's helpful. Again, normally you would just drop your buy stop order right there, one tick above that, but because I was a little slow getting the recorder going, I missed the trade and I just dropped a limit order and it backed up and filled me So I got lucky on that. When the market's moving kind of slow, it's not moving real quick. So a lot of times you can get in on a limit order. I don't trade them often because sometimes you'll miss the best trades and it doesn't back up. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that trade example. I'm trying to do more of these and get them up for you just so you can see exactly how I do it. But there it is. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll try to do more. This is Mike with PriceActionTradingSystem.com.